Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about how to set up Genymotion with your Kali Linux. And okay, so Genymotion is a emulator tool which is mostly used by the Android pen testers to test the Android applications. Okay, so first of all we have to visit the Genymotion website, okay, to download the emulator. Okay, okay, so here we get multiple options for the Genymotion downloads. Okay, so the first of all discover. Okay, so we are using Genymotion in our desktop or laptop. Okay, so next is download. Okay, there are some options here for the Linux, macOS and Windows. We are going for Windows, and just there are two options as well for the Windows, with the VirtualBox or without VirtualBox. If you are already downloaded or have a VirtualBox in your system, you doesn't need to download the directly. You have to download without the VirtualBox. Okay, so now let's since I already downloaded the Genymotion, now let's visit or let's set up an Android device for the Genymotion. Okay, it takes time sometimes. Okay, so when we download the Genymotion for the first time, it requires a sign-in account. Okay, so for the sign-in you can use a temporary mail or a fixed mail, because if you want to use Genymotion again and again, you should use a permanent mail to ensure the your account will be same or throughout the network. Okay, there are two options for the we can use free option. Okay, so let's set up a Android device. So let's click on create. Now if we use a low specific with a device with the low specifications, so our system doesn't need more resources. Okay, if we have lesser RAM or a less powerful processor, you should go with the lesser configurations of the phone. Okay, so let's say I am using Pixel 7a. Okay, it is. So here are some options for the Android. Okay, you can either go with the latest Android available for the Genymotion. Okay, or we have for the, or if we want the root access, we need to select Android 11 or below. Okay, so this is available, the root access only available for the Android 11 or below in the current version of the Genymotion. Okay, then hit enter. Then for the processors, two processors is enough, and RAM should be 2 GB is enough. Okay, then hit enter. We doesn't need to change here. We need an Android navigation bar to navigate. Then here is the main. If we have to use the bridge network here. Okay, and it is creating a device. Okay, sometimes it takes some more time than the usual. Okay, and this is what we do. As I already have created a device, I just start the device. Okay, let's see the device config. Okay, about our new device has already been set up. Okay, so let's set up and make a connection with the next. Okay, it's with the Kali Linux in the next part. Thank you.